Hi everyone! Today we're going to be learning Mamamoo's Gogobebe. Yay! So this tutorial is mirrored and I hope you can dance along with me. Let's get started. Okay, so with the chorus, they start with going this and then going down. So there's 3 beats that you can go down. If you're dancing by yourself, you can choose one to do so. And some of the members just jump down, but I saw that moonbyul does like a kick and a shoulder before she goes down. I really like that, so that's what I'm going to teach. So basically you have your right arm here, your wrist is on your waist, and then your shoulder is gonna pop to the front. As your shoulder pops to the front, your left leg is gonna kick out. So you do da, and then you jump down. So your legs are 90 degrees, and you look to the right, and your left hand is here. So let's do that again. Kick. Okay. And then after that, you do the gogobebe. So let's learn the move first. Your arms, your hands are in fists, and then you do da, da. Our hands are in fists, and our left hand goes back first, and then our right hand goes back. And then as we do that, we move our waist to left and then to the right. So we kind of like pop our booty out to the left, and we bend our right knee, and then to the right. So da, da. And our feet shift a little bit. Da, da. Okay? And then for bebe, our right hand is like this. Our finger, like the open side of the finger, is pointing to the front and it's beside your lips, and then your left hand is just on your waist. So you do go, go, baby. And then your weight is centered when you do baby. Okay? So after here, we're going to kick back. So we do da. So our arm goes this way and our right leg steps out. Sorry, our right leg steps back and our left leg comes up. So da, da, and then we jump down, da. As we jump down, our hands go in like this pose, like this, and make sure that our thumb is up, like this, and then we put our hands here beside us. So our gogobebe, jump, down, okay? So after here, we do like a shift. So our left arm goes to the waist and our right arm goes left, right. And as we do that, our neck goes to the right and then goes to the left. So the opposite side. So we're here and we do da, da, okay? Da, da, da. And then after we do the shift, we kind of nod our head. So our head goes up and goes down. So let's start from the beginning. So we do kick, go down, and then we do go, go, bebe, and then we jump to the back, jump, hands on your side, and then do shift, shift, and then head up, down, okay? So after the nod, we're going to step to the left side, okay? So we do step, step, and as we step, our right hand is like flat, your palm is flat, and you move to the right side, so da, da, and then we do the bling bling part. So our right hand goes to our waist, our right leg steps out, and then we do like a body roll. Da, da. So to do that, you imagine that each point of your body is taking turns to go back. So first your head, your neck, and then your back, and then you sit down. As we do that, our left hand goes bling, bling, bling. So three of these twists, okay? So let's start from the nod. So nod, left, step, bling, bling, bling. Then after that is another gogobebe. So we do go, go, but this time we do jump across. So we're go, go, jump, and then we do like another body wave. So before that, we jump again, and as we jump, and we're moving our body, our hands go up like this and then go down, and our bodies go ooh, okay? So let's start from the shift. So we do shift, step, bling, 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 go, go, cross, and then jump again. So as we're doing the body roll, you're thinking that you're going back again. So we do da, da. But this time is less of entire body, it's more just like this part of your upper body. So you do da, da. Okay? So let's start from the beginning. So we do kick, down, and then go, go, baby. Jump, hands to the side, shift, shift, nod. Shift to the left, bling, bling, bling. Go, go, cross your legs, and then da, da. So after the body roll move, each member kind of goes in a different direction. So I'm going to be doing hwasa's part. She always faces the front, while the other members kind of like spin in a circle. So after this, she steps with her left leg. So step, step, and then your arm goes this way. So your arm goes from the back to kind of like the left back side, and then to the front. So da, okay? So you do da, and then you kind of like touch your body. She holds her mic on the left hand, but I'm just gonna use both hands to go down. So you kind of like touch your body and moves down. So you're doing da, da, and then touch your body. As you're touching your body, you want to make sure that your back is tightened and you want to kind of like bend it back. So you accentuate the butt and your boobs. So you da, and then you can change your leg if you want. And when she does drunk, drunk, you just do like drunk, drunk, or she does like drunk, drunk. You can do whatever two poses that you want, okay? So let's go from here. So da, and then go down your body, and then drunk, drunk. Okay? And they do another gogobebetutorial. So you just do gogobebetutorial. The same move as the first one. Gogobebetutorial. Now we go into the next part, which is like bonbonhage. So it's like have fun shamelessly. So you kind of want to like feel like you're going crazy here. You're like having a lot of fun, not caring about anything, and you're moving your hands up. So this side and this side, you have a front hand which faces the front, and the other hand kind of faces like the side and the back, like the middle of the side and the back. So you do da, 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 da. And then as you do that, you step out your leg. So you do da, 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 okay? And then when you're doing this, you want to kind of pop your body as well. So you pop your chest out. So when you do that, you're doing like da, 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 da. So you're bending your back, so your chest and butt are out. So you do da, 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 da. Okay? And you kind of want to move your head a bit. So this is more of like a freestyle move. You want to just show everyone that you're having a lot of fun. So you can do like da, 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 you know, just shake your head around a little bit. So da, 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 da. And then after that, every member does a different move again. I'm going to be doing hwasa's move. So she just goes like this, and then she kind of perks her butt out. Again, you want to bend your back. Your hands are here, and then you just move your butt from the back to the front. As you move to the front, you want to make sure that you're really trying to like pop your butt out with your left leg. So you just do right, and then da, 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 da. Okay, and the more forward you bend, the better. So you da, 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 da. She jumps back. So it jumps back to neutral. So after you jump back to neutral, you kind of wait a little bit. You kind of like step, step, and then you do da, da, da. So your hands are in fists, they're up. They don't have to be too straight or anything. You just want to look like, you know, you're partying and having fun. And your legs do da, close, open. Okay, so you're do da, da, da. Your legs a little, your knees are a little bit bent. So you do da, da, da. And then your left arm goes to your waist. Your right arm goes like this. So palm is facing up and it's on an angle. And you want to kind of like point it to the right up side, okay? And as you do that, you want to shift your weight to your left leg. And you perk your butt out. So da, da, da. Okay, let's start from this part. So we do da, 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 da. Okay? So after we do that, we can go in any direction we want, but we do like a walk. It looks like da, 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 da. So I'm gonna go to that direction. So we're here. We're going to put our arm like this. So one hand in front of us, the other hand on our side. So da, 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 da. Okay? And as we do that, our legs kind of like step, 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 step. And our shoulders do like a little shimmy. So we're doing like da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay? So you're not moving too much, but you just wanna, the vibe that you wanna give off is that I'm very proud. I'm just like walking. Doesn't matter what anyone else is doing. So you're doing da, 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 da. And your legs are bent. Da, 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 da. Okay? Then after that, you do another gogobebetutorial. So you do gogobebetutorial. Okay, so let's start from this move. So we do da, 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 and then you do whatever move you want. Da, 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 da. Jump to neutral, step, step, and then we do da, 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 and then da, 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 and we do our walk. Da, 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 and then go, baby. Next, we're going to more of the sensual part where you're like, come here, come here. So after we're here, we step out with our left leg and we bend our knees and we do da 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 da. And we kind of lean towards the front as well. So we're like moving our butt out and then in. Like da 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 da, focusing our left butt. Da 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 da, okay? And as we do that, our left hand is out and we do da da da, like come here, come here. Our right hand is on our waist. So bend our knees, do da 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 da, and then we switch. Oh, by the way, when we're doing da 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 da, when we're focusing on our left leg, we kind of swing our head to the left. So right here we do da 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 da, okay? So after we do da 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 da, we kind of switch our weight. So right now we're focusing on the left leg. We want to focus on the right leg and the right butt. So we're doing da 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 da, and then we kind of go to the right and do da 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 da. As we do that, we move our head to the right as well. So let's start from the left side. So you do da 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 da, and then right side. Da 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 da. Okay, so let's do that again. Left, out, in, right, out, in. So after doing da 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 to the right side, we want to step in with our right leg and we become neutral. As we're stepping in, our right butt goes up. So it's the same thing. You're kind of like twisting it out and your arms are beside you and you do da 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 da. So you're here, you do da 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 da, and then you do da da. Okay, so this is just one. Again, so we do da-da, da-da, and then da-da, and you do the same thing on the left side, da-da. Okay? Okay, so let's start from the last gogobebetutorial. So we're doing gogobebetutorial, and you do da-da, 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 da-da. Okay, so our weight is on our left leg and our left butt is out, right? And then our butt is going to do da, 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 da. So after we step with our right and then step with our left, we do da, right arm goes back, and then da, da, and then baby. So we do baby. Same thing, right hand is up and then left hand is on your waist. So da, 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 da. Okay, then we step out with our right leg. As we do that, our weight goes to our right leg, so our butt is pointed out, and you can put your finger in your mouth for a little bit if you want to do solar. So da. And then when we step with our left leg, our face turns back to the right side. Our arm comes up and then goes behind our head like this, and our weight shifts to the left leg. So we're here, we do da. And then as we shift to the right side, we pull up our hair, and then as we shift to the left side, we don't move anything else. Okay, and then when we go back, and then you do go, go, baby. Okay, let's start from da-da, da-da. Okay, so you do da-da, 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 da-da. Right, left, go, go, be. And then da-da, 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 back. Hi guys, I forgot to film an outro earlier, but I just wanted to pop in and say thank you so much for watching my dance tutorial on Mamamoo's Gogobebe. I really enjoyed the dance, and I hope that you learned something new today as well. Subscribe for more dance covers and dance tutorials, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!